How to delete a Patreon tier. Hi guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how you can delete a Patreon tier. To do this, all you need to do is to log in into your Patreon account, either on your PC or on your mobile app. Once you're logged in, on your creators page, by the right side of the screen, you'll see three icons, right? Such as the create icon, an arrow pointing upwards, and then three dots. Our focus is on these three dots. Just go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a menu will be displayed showcasing edit page, manage post, edit tiers, right? Click on edit tiers. Once you click on edit tiers, you'll be redirected to the edit tiers page. Now, on this page, just scroll down and then you'll see the number of tiers you have. Now, currently, this is the highlighted tier. All right, this is a default tier because I do not have any tier at the moment. But for you, you will see the number of tiers that you have. Once you see the number of tiers you have, just highlight it or select it. Once you've selected it, you will see the edit option at the lower part of the box. Just click on it. Once you click on the edit icon, just go ahead and then select more options. Once you select more options, you'll be directed to a bigger page. On this page, you will see all of the things you can do to the tier. Then comes to the lower part of the screen, and then you'll see three options as well, such as save, cancel, and then three dots. All right, click on it. Once you click on three dots, you will see two options: unpublished tier and then delete tier. I have not published this tier, that is why it is asking me to unpublish it. But for you, yours might be different. But that's not the focus in this tutorial. Then just go ahead and click on delete tier. Once you click on delete tier, the tier will be deleted automatically. So this is how you can delete a Patreon tier. Very easy and simple. Thanks for watching.